Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing about the NIOS assignments of mathematics. Before starting this, I want to share something. We have PDF and handwritten assignments also. If you need assignments, this assignment, so you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 90093682238, which is showing on your screen below. And now question is of this 6A is take any book randomly open any page of the book in such a way that the page number on the right hand side page is less than 100 and note the page number. Repeat this activity 50 times and record your rating every time separated by a comma. First one is present the above raw data in the form of array data, and the second one construct a frequency table for the data using equal class sizes and taking one class as 0 to 10 using telemarks. Also construct a cumulative frequency table for the above group data, and construct a histogram and the frequency polygon for the data. Okay, so question is done. If you need answer of this question, so you can contact us on this number anytime, and thank you so much for watching.